What's up, guys? This is Ronnie. Welcome back to our channel Total Technology Zone. This is tutorial 8, and today's topic will be how to draw ellipse in OpenCV5. Okay, so in the last tutorial, we have seen how to draw polygons, and in this tutorial, we'll be going to learn how to draw ellipse using OpenCV5 drawing function. This is also very unique. So, why shapes are unique? There is another requirement which actually came to me as a project from a freelance client. So the client is actually from some high school probably something to do with like engineering mathematics. They are basically based out of London, United Kingdom, and they are developing an in-house application for their student, which will help them to understand the pictorial representation of any equation from coordinate geometry. And they are trying some options, and they understood that the other options, whatever is available in the internet programmatically, that is not possible, like to do it exact like figure and all. And probably they understood that they can use something with LLM and OpenCV. So the integration will be large language model and OpenCV. Yeah, DALI is there, but DALI is not capable of doing capable of understanding and geometrical equation to geometrical shape. So obviously there should be some sort of enhancement required with OpenCV. So right now I'm working on that, and while doing that I understood that these drawing functions are very important. So this is one of the use case you guys also can try out. Like you will give some coordinate geometry based equation as an input, and you can get like uh, the resultant shapes and image with x-axis, y-axis, everything in a resultant form, right? So that is something, another use case. Okay, so let's ignore that at this moment. I'm just telling you the use cases. Let's focus on our tutorial, that is drawing ellipse. Okay, so source code will be available here, and while drawing the ellipse, we'll be going to use this one. Okay, so let's start working on the Excel part. Okay, so import PB2, then import numpy as MP, right? Now IMG, I'll be just going to create MP dot zeros. I want to make it a little bit bigger. Let's say 700, 703, and MP dot this is like this. We're done. Now for there are a couple of very important things. So first thing, B2 dot ellipse. Okay. So first thing, it will be our image canvas. Okay, so next thing is actually center point. So from where actually you want to start the center point. Let's say you want to start the center point from 350, 350. It's exactly middle of this thing. Then we have axis. Axis actually our major axis, minor axis size. Okay. So for major axis, minor axis, let me think what can be what we can do. Major axis, minor axis. Let's say. mm let's say you want to make it 290, 140. Okay, 290, 140. Then is actually our angle, and then start angle. So let's say I want to make it 170 degrees, start angle 0, end angle 360, right? Then color, so I want to make it, let's say, little bit of different color, 100, 200, and 250, right? And let's say my thickness will be -1. I think this is done. Now let's see. Let's try to draw it. CV2 dot wet key 1. Okay. Before that, while true, then okay, tab, if, then and 0 x x. I think this will be 0 equals to this ORD, and then Q, right? Means if you are going to quit, then this is going to be done. I think it will be here, 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 and then what will happen? Then break. Okay, break, and here cv2 dot destroy all windows. Okay, now what will happen here? cv2 dot im show, and there I am just going to write ellipse and the canvas of this image. Okay, done. Let's execute this thing. We'll see something like this in the middle of the page. Okay, what is this? Why this is not happening? So let me ignore all the terminal and let's execute. Yeah, okay, I think something is created. Yeah, this is fine. Okay, I hope this is fine. Now what we'll do, we want to actually create something. I think this is 350 to, I think let's make it 250. Okay, hold on. Yeah, like this, a little bit more upwards. Not earlier it was here, I want to do it here. Let's do it. Fine, not exactly middle. Now let's do it one more. I want to create one more inside this. Okay, okay, and here let's see what color shall I put here. So maybe I want to make it here 350, 250. This is also 350. So for 290 I want to make it, change it to 100, maybe 100, it is fine. And their color, okay, okay, I want to do it greenish shade a little bit. Okay, let me go here. Let's draw one more in middle. Yeah, so this is also created. Okay, right. Okay, so I want to make it a little bit smaller. Let's say 270 is fine. Okay, perfect. Okay, second ellipse. Third one I'll be going to draw it here. In here. Okay, now let's create another color. Okay, so here let's say, let's make it 200, 100. I think 100 is fine, 200 is fine, everything is fine. So I think let's make it, let's say, let's make it 80, and I'll try to make it, let's say, 20, and make it 220. Let's see what shade it is actually going to give me. Obviously a bluish shade will come. Yeah, fine. So that is how we can create ellipse inside ellipse and also ellipse, right? So these things are amazing, right? So if you have some geometrical equation, you can draw ellipse easily, right? So ellipses are very important in your coordinate geometry or in higher mathematics and even in higher school mathematics as well. And if you're part of engineering background or you are already doing some engineering projects, definitely you are going to deal with some mathematical equation calculation derivatives. So there also you will find the uses of ellipse, right? So just stay tuned. I'll be going to do something more on the more on geometrical shapes, but probably not more tutorials, not more than 2 or 3 tutorials, probably maybe one tutorial. I don't know, because I have covered mostly all the shapes. Now I'll be going to start working on the other like parts of OpenCV. Okay, because our ultimate objective is to learn computer vision and deep learning end to end, right? So while doing that, I understood that we need to focus on these small pieces, because whenever we are going to develop some large scale project, you need to integrate those small bits and pieces. And if I directly jump onto that project, then probably these things will be little bit difficult for you to understand, or for me also to make you guys understand. So that is why I am creating this reference tutorial. And also this is beginner friendly. If you are a programmer, if you are familiar with OpenCV, it doesn't matter. If you know a little bit of Python, this will be more than enough for you to become expert in OpenCV within next 4 to 5 months, right? Okay, so enough of talking. I'll be just going to conclude the video over here. But before I conclude, I'd like to say a couple of things. So if you are watching this video for the first time, just try to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, share our videos with your family and friend, and don't forget to hit the bell notification, because if you click on the bell notification icon, you will be subscribed to get all the notification. So whenever I upload any future videos, you will get all the updates, right? And last but not least, if these videos are helping you on your project, on your academics, or if it's helping you to solve any of your problem, please let us know via some sort of feedback, because this will help other people to find this video as a valuable one, and also this will help YouTube algorithm to promote the video to the large number of audience. And to grow and to reach the large number of audience, I need all of you to subscribe to my channel, because the moment you start subscribing, YouTube algorithm will um, promote my videos to the large number of audience. Okay, so please help me guys, I need your support to grow, and I'm promising that I will come back with nice and quality content. Okay, so that's it, enough of talking. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, have a nice day, and happy learning. Thank you.